ZANU-PF people in exile, when they speak, you think that they are Democrats. But let me be honest with you for once. These people, they despise Nelson Chamisa. They hate Nelson Chamisa with passion. One of the days around June, I received a call. And it was a WhatsApp call. We talked with the guy for a while. And he was discussing about how bad things are in Zimbabwe. We were in agreement. Then all of a sudden, he brought a topic and said, Chamisa akatengwa. And I said, what are you saying? Tinotozviziva, tinotori neevidence yekuti tinogona kutomudonhedza. And I remained calm listening to him. He was blabbing all sorts of nonsense. Fortunate enough, I have the recordings. But let me make this and say the truth. These people, they hate Nelson Chamisa from exile. Imagine if they were right here in Zimbabwe. Imagine if they were in power and in charge. What could they, how far could they go? These are people who are simply sympathizing with us right now because they are not in power. But once their candidate gets an opportunity to be in power, they'll forget about us. They'll start to beat us. They'll start to harass us. They'll start to arrest us. They'll start to do the same things being done by Emmerson Mnangagwa because they've been doing it in the days of Robert Mugabe. They will continue to do it in the future. Right now, the elections have results of Botswana out. What is their message? They've sent messages like this one, which is right here on the screen. You know, they bring these topics and these issues. I have seen another charlatan, Ibo Mandaza, coming out publicly to also say the same things as old as he is, Ibo Mandaza. A man who was part of the system, a man who contributed to the demise of Zimbabwe's economy, a man who helped to destroy the economy of Zimbabwe, Ibo Mandaza, came out publicly today achida kukombeya opposition yekubotswana neyekunoku kuzimbabwe. But they forget that Nelson Chamisa had over 168 rallies banned by the police. Nelson Chamisa had his supporters killed and maimed by ZANU-PF terrorists. We had charlatans destroying our posters, everything. Faz was terrorizing us. Vachiuya kudzimba vachivhiringidza vanhu vachimhanyisa vanhu. Simply because they didn't want to be defeated. We have a long list of people who have been arrested on political grounds. Job Sikala stayed over a year, nearly 2 years. Right now, we still have people incarcerated. But these charlatans are speaking. Where are they? They are hiding. Kuseri kwa Limpopo, vamwe vari kuNamibia, vamwe vari kupi kunze kwenyika, and they will not step foot right here in Zimbabwe because they know that this regime will lock them up. But right now, they want to act as if they are they are good ones. And I ask a simple question. Xavier Kasukwere was denied an opportunity to be on the ballot paper by Emmerson Mnangagwa. What did you do? What action did you take? You did nothing. Kungwa popota, hey, Chamisa. Murupopota chi. Imimi, when you can't come to confront the same system which robbed your own candidate, his candidacy on the ballot. Hana kuiswa pa ballot paper, Kasukwere, makaita say. Makaenda kukoti mukanodyiwa, makaita say after that. Okay. Let's assume kuti Nelson Chamisa afoira. Ando zvamuri kuda. We are assuming kuti afoira. You will never live in a country with a vacuum. By nature, when there is a vacuum, somebody comes in to fill that vacuum. If Nelson Chamisa has failed, what it means is there is a political vacuum in the opposition. Who has filled that political vacuum? Nelson Chamisa stepped away from Triple C. But up to this day, nobody has stood against Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa to fill the void or to fill the vacuum. Vacho vaiti isisu Triple C chayo chayo. They're nowhere to be found. They're nowhere to be found. They are acting as if they're part of the ruling party. Because they are. You know, let us be honest with each other for once. There is one thing I want to tell you. The opposition was for a very long time infiltrated and captured. We were being controlled by ZANU-PF. Proof is everywhere. Right now, Nelson Chamisa akadzvanya factory reset. Ndosaka muri kurwadziwa, ndosaka muri kuchema, because you know for sure kuti ike zvino papera. The day Nelson Chamisa comes and rolls, papera, because everybody is eagerly waiting for Nelson Chamisa, despite your nonsense on social media, your nonsense which try to divide vanhu, this and that. You know for sure from the intelligence records kuti vanhu vakamirira Chamisa. If that is not true, why have you arrested Amos Chibaya? Why have you arrested people like the Avonto 78, Vana Jameson Timber? It's because you are afraid that maybe they are planning something against you. Yet, if they are planning anything, you will never know, because you don't have the intelligence capacity to know at this point in time. Because zvinhu zvakarukwa, dhiri racho rakarukwa in a different way. Let us be honest with each other for once. ZANU-PF people will never repent. They hate Nelson Chamisa to the bone. They are blabbing while they are in exile, because they know that this regime will murder them, will arrest them, will do anything to them. You know, Chamisa arimo muno muZimbabwe, ari kufamba muHarare, achiita metsi dzake, tsoro dzake muZimbabwe muno, and has told them kuti, I dare you, touch me if you can. And they can't even touch him, because they know the truth. We have to be serious for once. We have been threatened our lives several times, but we don't care. We will never hide. We will never hide. This is the reason why we don't hide our identities. We don't hide when we are speaking. We speak directly. We continue to confront them. We walk freely. We get into the institutions right here in Zimbabwe without fear, without favor, because whatever we are doing is lawful, and we don't care about the consequences from charlatans. And you'll be told, in Botswana, they held presidential debates. In Botswana, the loser has congratulated the winner, and the loser happens to be the sitting president, who happens to be the friend of the chairman of SADC. Mr. Chairman say, you are working for your own recognition and benefit. Chamunoziva ndechekuti imimi vana neva kana zvikanzi Zimbabwe izvezvi zviyanaka, hamuna ma-ideas amunounza patable except fake intelligence zamunenge muchididi, zvamunenge muchipiwa nezvimashefu zvenyu kuti mupublish on their behalf, because ivo vanotya. Zvauri kuposta izvi never every day zvaifanira kunge zvichipostwa nashefu wako Kasukuwere. Kasukuwere shefu wako ari kutya kuzviposta, anotuma iwewe. Let us be honest with each other. Anotuma iwewe ndonomhanya kuenda unomupostira. And you know, these people, they will continue each and every time to try and portray Nelson Chamisa as a bad man. But honestly, deep down their hearts, they know kuti without Nelson Chamisa havana chavachaita kuti vatozonzi vadzokawo kumusha ndiChamisa. Vakatotarisa hasha dzese dzamuri kuona idzi, vakatotarisawo kuna vaChamisa, vari kutoti muri kunonokawo vaChamisa kuti tidzoke kumusha. Ndo hasha dzavo. But they are jealous because vari kuda kuti Chamisa vabatsire kuti vadzoke kumusha, havasi kuda kudzoka kumusha ivo. vaida kutora advantage kuti Chamisa akaisa vanhu mustreet, ivo votora advantage, vohijeka, vodzinga Mnangagwa, voti take over, voti tapinda patransition, taugadzira maelections. Mogara muri military rule, voti vogadzira masystems avo, pavada vapedza kugadzira candidate yavo, voti handei kumaelection, morigwa futi. Ndozvinhu zvatiri kuramba izvozvo manje. We are not going to be used by you. That is the reason why President USE Chamisa started to build new structures, new people, new friends, new connections everywhere. Ndozviri kurwadza izvozvo, because you know for sure kuti penyu papera and your best candidates will never make it. Vana Igbo were part of this government iri kuti terrorize. They've worked with this government for a very long time. Ndo vaidaka kuti vaite ma-face of the transition. Vavatogadzirira, vatopedza, varonga, vaita ma-meetings avo, vatopedza kugadzira National Transition Authority yavo isina Chamisa mukati. Vochizotiwo Chamisa chitibatsira, ivo vopinda voti hano Chamisa hatikupinzi because iwewe you will be the candidate kana takura kuita ma-elections. That is nonsense. That is bullshit. Wamune mchida kushandisa ndiani? Kuda kuride down other people's popularity, vanhu vacho muchivadespise. Vanhu imimika ngatimbowanai nguva yekukwana. Vakomana imi, kwanai.